Okay, hello guys. Can you remind me which topic we left in the last class? Daniel, Ramya. Oh, you didn't join, but I shared the video, no? I think I uploaded the video, no? Inner join. Okay, fine. Nice. Inner join. Yeah. I also remember that. So we completed where everything, and then okay joins. So let's start. So advanced SQL query concept help DBA work with complex data structure and optimize data handling. So key point is joins, which how many type of joins? Inner join, left or right join, full join, cross join. Okay. So these are the kind of joins in MySQL. So first is inner join. So what is the definition of inner join? Return only matching record from both the tables. So we have two tables. Okay. Yes, Daniel. How many tables we have? Two tables. First is for the employee table and second is for the department table. Correct? Perfect. Let me activate that. Select employee. Okay, let me first activate database. Use company DB. Done. So after activating database, we can use anything. Done. Activated. Now let me check how many tables we have. Run both the tables together. Okay, one is department and one is employee table. So employee table have employee ID, name, email, salary, phone, department ID, their department ID and the department name. So common table column is department ID. Here department ID and department ID. Okay. So department ID is a common table between these two tables. Fine. Now first join is inner join. Inner join, the property of inner join is return only the matching record from both the tables. Fine. If I say these two tables, so here employee ID and employee department ID and department ID both are common. So when I want to select the employee within these two tables, they can combine by the help of department ID. So 1, 2, 3. 1 for HR, 2 for IT and 3 for finance. So if I say 1, it means it's a HR department. If I say 2, IT, 2 again operate 2, it's a ID and the department different kind of department. Okay. So like this, if I say 1, it will select this employee and it will select department HR. If I say 2, department ID 2, it will select this guys and this guy, two guys, this one and this one, and it has HR and IT and operation. Like that, they can combine and find the table. If I say employee department ID 4, but it doesn't select because this is not in department. So according to the inner join, what are the common column or rows that can be printed? Okay, this is not common, the sixth one, because in department ID is 4. Even this one and this one is not common because their department ID is null. So 5, 6 and this one is not visible when I run the inner join. So already we have an inner join here. Let me delete this one. Select E employee name, D department name from employee inner join department on department ID equal to D dot department ID. So there is a department ID common. This is called foreign key and join department with the employee table. Okay. and I want employee name and department name. So employee name is this one and department name is this one. So run the code. See this. Okay, name Riya Sharma, Vikas Patel, like that. Okay, so because of the inner join, these are the common columns. If I add one more thing, uh, employee ID. Wait, let me copy this and paste here. See this. So I'm going to add this one employee ID also here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again run and select. See, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and here see fifth, sixth, and the null one. These three is not selected because there is no common department ID because 4 is not there, null is not there. See, only 1, 2, 3. That's why it's selected 1, 2, 3, 4 because this is a common column between these two tables. That is called inner join. Okay, so we have already created these things. Now left join. So what is the property of left join? Return all record from the left hand table plus matching record from right hand table. Okay, so what is the left hand table? Left hand table is this one, the employee table, and right hand table is department table. If I use left join, it will select all the data. It means all the table from employee and the related matching record from the right hand side. Okay, that is called left join. How to write? See, select e.employee name, d.department name from employee E, left join department. So just I'm going to change the this one only. Left. That's all. Select e.employee name, e.employee ID, and d.department name from employee ID and left join. One second. Okay, so when I use this left join, it select all the details from the left hand table. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 6. Okay, see this 1 2 3 4 5 6, all the details from the left hand table and related related data from the right hand table. So 1 2 3, let me check. 1 2 3. So this is not matching, but this is also included here because of left join. This is included because of left join, and other are the related. Okay, so that is called the left join. So all the employee and Rahul is null department. Still, it's showing here. Sumit is null department. Still showing. No matching department, but it's still showing because of the left join. And these are the recording matching records. That is called left join. Then right join. Return all record from the right hand table and matching record from the left hand side. Okay. If no employee, null employee data, select employee name department from employee, right join department, same thing, just change with the right. Okay, see. Okay, so this is the right hand side table and this is left hand side table. So according to the right join, everything from the right table and matching from the left table. So what is the matching? This one, 1 2 3, this much only. This is not matching. So only this part will be visible because in left hand table we have only this part and right hand table only this part. So this one 5 and 6 will be not visible. See, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, no 5 and 6. That is called right join. Then full outer join. Full outer join. So MySQL trick using union. MySQL does not support full join directly. Combine left and right join. Okay. So return all record from the both table. So it is the like left, all the data from the left hand side and all the data from the right hand side. So select employee name, department name from employee table and left join department D on E department ID equal to D department ID union. Select E employee name, department name from employee E right join. So using right join and left join, we can create full outer join. So let's do it. Left join is fine, right join is fine, and here I'm going to add this one, employee ID. Okay, and select and run. Even I'm going to select this thing also. Okay, so this is our first left hand side table, this is right hand side table, and this is the full outer join. Full outer join. Return all record from both the tables. So see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, all the record from right hand side and all the record from the left hand side. So full outer join means all the record from both the tables. Okay, so that is called full outer join. Then cross join. What is cross join? Cross join is return Cartesian product all combination. So hope you guys know what is Cartesian product. All combination. Let's suppose there is total 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 rows, and here 1 2 3, 3 rows, 6 and 3, combination of 6 and 3. So 6, combination of 6 and 3 is 6 into 3, 18. I think 18 combination possible. So every employee paired with every department. So row equal to employee into department. So select E employee name, D department name from employee, and cross join department D. Let's try this. Select E dot employee name, E dot employee ID, D department name from employee E, and cross join department D. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So 18 combination are possible because we have 6 rows in left hand table and 3 rows in right hand table. So there is a 18 possibilities of combination of both the tables. That is called cross join. Okay. So if 6 employ 3, 18 rows are possible. Now aggregate functions. Hello, Ramya and Daniel. Understand the joins? You guys understand the joins? Yeah. See, real time, if they want to see the combination, they can compare. Okay. If I create joins like this, compare like this data, then we can compare with each other's data. Like this one, if I combine with this one, so it's basically for comparison, combining of two data, and we can check with the others also. Okay. So sometimes it will be useful. Otherwise, these joins are much useful. Left join, right join, inner join, outer join, like that. Okay. But in comparison, we can also create a cross join, comparing the data. All right. Okay. So after that, we have an aggregate function. What is aggregate function? Count, max, mean, sum, average. Grouping with group by. Filtering group with the having. So group by, having, sum, count, like this. Okay. Let's start. So first is count. Count the rows. How to count? Select count star as total employee from the employee. Let's try it. 6 rows, correct? So we count the total rows, 6 rows. Then max, highest value. Select max salary as highest salary from employee. 70,000 is the highest salary, yes. Then lowest value. Select min salary as lowest salary from the employee. That will tell you the minimum salary, min salary. Select mean salary as lowest salary from the employee table. 48,000 is the minimum salary. Then we have total sum. Select sum salary as total salary from the employee. Select sum salary as a total salary from the employee. So if you sum the salary of each person, it will give you months, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 3,41,000, 1.25. Okay, so sum of total salary. Now average of the total salary. If I divide it by 6, this data divided by 6, it will give you the average salary. Select average salary as an average salary from the employee table. So average salary. Total divided by number of rows or number of people. Group by. Okay, group by. So if you want to find a group by, means if there is a common thing, it will create a group for that common thing. See, if I activate this one, see we have salary 55, 62, 48, 70, 51, 55. So there is 255 here and here, but other as separate. So we can create, if I create a group, they can combine this 55 and this 55 because they are common, they are same. So how to create that? Select salary count star as an employee count from employee table, group by salary. So it create a group by salary. Okay, I'm going to select this one as well as this one. See, this is a group by. How? Because if we select this one and this one, repeated salary 2 times. Other are 1, 1, 1, they're individual. But these are 2 times. Amit Kumar has the same salary and Sumit Kumar has the same salary. So it's create a group by. Group of 55 is 2, other are 1. This way we can create a group by. Okay. Then having filter group used with group by to filter grouped data like where but for group. So here whatever group data it will filter that. Here group of 2, this one, other as individual. So using the having clause you can filter this group. So select salary count as employee count from the employee table, group by salary, having count greater than 1. So this is greater than 1, this group is greater than 1, other are equal to 1, that's why it select this part, the group part. Here that is called having. Okay, so this is all about module 4, which is sorry, module 3, SQL from MySQL DBA. Hope you guys learned so many things in this module. So let's start the another module. Hello, hello. Yeah, let's. So you guys understand this topics, no? Joins and all. Yeah. So if you will practice by using our note, definitely you guys have cleared the concept, and you have to practice again and again. Then it will set in your mind. Okay. Practice is very, very important. Practice is twice or thrice, then it will set in your mind these things, everything, whatever the topic under that. Aggregate function, group by, having clause, inner join, outer join, next join, and where clause, these things. So let's start the another module today. So it's an advanced SQL technique. So advanced join like self join. We read about inner join, outer join, left join, right join, cross join, but we didn't read self join. Self join is a table join with itself. Okay. So use when data is same table is related. Example manager. Add manager ID column if not exist. Alter table employee add manager ID int. How to add? Update employee set manager ID equal to null where ID is 1. Update employee set manager ID 1 where employee ID is 234. Let's try this. Oh, hold on. First we have to create this one. Alter table employee add manager ID int. Okay. Now check whether it's created or not. Yes, manager ID is created. Now update employee set manager ID equal to null where ID is 1. So created null. Then update employee table manager ID 1 where employee ID in 234. Okay, now run this code. See, so according to this, update employee set manager ID. This is a manager ID null where employee ID is 1. So this is employee ID 1. Here it set null. Okay. Then update employee table set manager ID 1 where employee ID is 2 and 3. So here 1, 1 and 1 where employee ID is 2, 3 and 4. Set 1, 1, 1. The manager ID is 1, 1, 1 here and null here because it's a employee ID 1. According to this, update employee table set manager ID null where employee ID is 1. Employee ID is 1, it set null, manager ID is null. And again set manager ID 1 where employee ID is 2, 3 and 4. Where employee ID is 2, 3, 4, set 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay. Understand what I created? Manager ID and I created null for the employee ID 1 and 1, 1, 1 for the employee ID 234. Get it? Ramya and Daniel. Hello. Hello. Getting this table. Getting this table. What I got? No. Fine. Now let's go. Now self join. I'm going to create a self join. So select E employee name as an employee, M dot employee name as a manager. From employee, left join employee M on E manager ID equal to M employee ID. So it's a self join. Okay. Select E dot employee name as employee, M dot employee name as manager. From employee E, left join employee M on E dot manager ID equal to M dot manager ID. So by the help of self join, it's created this one, employee and manager. Okay. So these are the employees, and for these employees, these are the managers. Okay. Because of self join, we are able to create this data, list of data. So these are the list of employee and these are the managers of related employee. So this way we can create self join. Now after that, subqueries. What is subqueries? Single row subqueries. So subquery is nothing but query under the one query. So we have these are the query. Even this is a query. Select from employee. This is a query. If I write one more query under this, that is called the subquery. See, select employee name, salary from employee. This is the first query. Again, where salary greater than, select average salary from employee. This is the subquery. This one. Because we have already written a query, select employee name, salary from the employee table. If you run this, you will get some answer. See? Select employee name and salary from the employee. See, it's employee name and salary. This is already a query. Under that, we are going to write one more query where salary greater than, select average salary. Whatever the average salary and greater than the average salary will be so from the employee table. This is the subquery. Average salary of. So I am going to create this. So first it filter the employee name and the salary, and then it filter the salary which is greater than average salary of all the employees. Only two people have a salary greater than average salary. Riya Sharma and Sneha Singh, 62,000 and 70,000. So this is called subquery. Query under the main query. Correlated subquery. Select E1.employee name, E1.salary from employee E1 where salary is greater than, select average salary E2.salary and from employee E2. Try this. Same thing, same answer. So we can write in two ways. One is like this or another, second is like this. This is much easy. I prefer this one to write. Now window function, row number, rank, lead, lag, these are the things. Let's try what is this. So row number, select employee name, salary, row number over order wise salary descending as row number from the employee. So it's show the employee name and the salary here, and row number over order by the salary descending. See, it's a descending order, and row number over the order salary descending as a row number from the employee. So these are the row number created, sorted by descending order, and put a row number on each rows 1 to 6. So that is called row number. Then rank. So there is a rank 1, rank 2, like that. So select employee name, salary, rank over order by salary descent as a rank number. So it will give you the rank number. According to, first it gives the row number, now it gives the rank number. See, the same thing, because it's a rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, and rank 6. So like the same order, row number, it's give the rank of each, because it's already a descending order. If I change this, if I make this ascend, so the smaller one is the rank 1, second smaller rank 2, like that. So bigger one is the rank 6. So it's give a rank to each row. Then lead, next row value. Okay. Select employee salary, lead salary over order by salary as a next salary. Okay. See what happened here. It's giving the value employee name and the salary, employee name and the salary. After that, lead salary over order by salary as a next salary. Okay. So whatever the salary here, print next salary to it. So 51 is here, print here. 55 is here, printed here. So next salary of 55 is 55. Next salary of 55 is 62, so printed here. So this row next salary. This row shows the next salary. Okay. This is called lead next row value. Now lag previous value. So this is the next salary. 55. Wait. So 48. This is the next one. It's printed here. This is 51. Next one is 55. Printed here. Now again reverse thing. Lag. Just change this. Lag. So it's a lag. 51 before that 48 is here. 55 before that 51 is here. Before 55 55 here. Before 62 55 here. So it's a lag. This way we can get row number, rank, lead, and lag. Now store procedure. What is store procedure? It's a delimiter. Create procedure. Get high salary being select star from employee where salary is greater than 5. End. So delimiter. Call procedure. So creating procedure, whenever it's required, we can call the procedure. So we can store this code into our MySQL, and whenever this calculation required, we simply run this code and it will do this calculation. So this is called store procedure. We can store the procedure. First we create a procedure and we can store this procedure, and whenever we need it in our work, we just simply write call highest salary, so automatically they will give you. Okay, hope you understand what is the this procedure, store procedure, guys. Okay, Ramya, hello. So store producer procedure is nothing but we are we creating a procedure, and whenever we need this calculation we can run this one only, this part, and it will do this calculation, and this is stored in our MySQL always. How to create delimiter, and here delimiter. Okay, start with the delimiter and end with the delimiter, and between that we write the procedure. How to write? Create procedure, and name the procedure is get high salary. This is the name of procedure. Then begin the procedure. How? Select from employee where salary is greater than 55,000. Int. So whenever I run this procedure, call get high salary. This is get high salary name of the procedure. So call get high salary, it's automatically give you this value. Okay, let's create it. Creating a procedure. So procedure is created. Now, if I need this calculation anytime, we have to call this. No need to write this much again. No need to write this formula again. Simply call by using this. Call highest salary. Call highest salary. So this one is the two highest salary. Okay. Greater than 55. So these two salary have 55. Even if this row increase or this will change, it's again give the same value. No need to write this much. No need to write this much. Only we have to write call get highest salary. It will give you the highest salary greater than 55. That is called store procedure. This procedure is now stored every store here. Now trigger. Trigger. What is trigger? Automatically execute when event happen. Okay, that is called trigger. Trigger something. Whenever we achieve something, it gives some messages, or whenever we achieve some value, it's trigger something. That is called trigger. Automatically execute when event happen. Now, so create a table salary. We are going to create a table whose name is salary underscore log. Then log id int, employee id int, old salary decimal, new salary decimal. So we are going to create a table, and table name is salary log. Okay, under that log id, employee id, old salary and the new salary. Let's create this table. So I'm going to create a table whose name is salary underscore log, and under that we have a log id first column, employee id second column, old salary and the new salary. So we created this table. Now let's check whether it's created or not. Select star from salary underscore log. Created log id, employee id, old salary, new salary. we have created this. Now again create a procedure. So how to create here, instead of procedure we create a trigger. What is the trigger? Delimiter at the beginning, again delimiter at the end. Now create trigger, and what is the trigger? Name is before underscore salary underscore update. Before salary update is the name of trigger. Okay. Before update on employee for each row being insert into salary log, employee ID, old salary, new salary, value, old.employee ID, old.salary, new salary, int. So let's create a trigger. So we are going to create a trigger, and so name of the trigger is before salary update. Before update on employee for each row being insert into salary log, employee ID, old salary, new salary, value old dot employee ID, old dot salary, and new dot salary. Let's create a trigger. So trigger created. Now how to test the trigger? Check existing employee data and then update salary trigger will be fire here. So first updated the existing value. So this is the existing value current. After that update salary. We are going to update the salary. Once you update, trigger will be fire here. So how to update? Update employee, set salary equal to salary plus 55,000 where employee ID is 1. So I am going to add in this 5,000. So according to the trigger, we have created a trigger. What trigger? So create a trigger before salary update, before update on employee, insert into salary. So this will show this one, employee ID, old salary, and the new salary. When we are going to try to add a salary, so update employee, set salary equal to salary plus 5,000 where ID is 1. So where is the ID 1? Here is the ID 1, and I'm going to add 5,000 in salary. So let's do it. Okay, I added into salary. Now if I run, see this becomes 6,000. 55,000 becomes 6,000. Now if I verify trigger execution, if I execute the trigger, so select from employee, select star from salary.log. This is our trigger. Run the trigger. So it's tell us, this trigger tell us old salary of employee ID is 55,000, but after updating the salary, this is the new salary. So both things it will show you. So what is the old salary and what is the new salary? Because of this trigger, if we created a trigger, it will show you the old salary and the new salary. That is called trigger. Got it? You understand what is trigger and what is the procedure, guys? Okay. Now we have user defined function. So let's discuss this, then we can close, just stop the class and then we can finish it tomorrow, the other things. So user defined function. So we are going to create a user defined function. How? Again, start with the delimiter, end with the delimiter, and between that create a function bonus salary decimal 10,2, return decimal 10,2, deterministic begin, return salary into 0.10, end. Okay, so it's bonus. this is a bonus salary. We are going to create a function, and when select employee name, salary, and bonus salary as on bonus amount. So this will show you the bonus salary. I'm going to create a function, user defined function. Now a function is created. What is the role of this function? This, when we run this function, it will give you the bonus amount. Whatever the salary, it will multiply it by 0.10 with the salary of the person and give you the employee name, salary, and the bonus salary. Okay. So now run this. Select employee name, salary, bonus salary from the employee table. So this is the salary and this is the bonus salary. Because of this procedure function, we created a function. It's automatically give you the bonus salary for each employee according to their salary. Okay. If salary change, the bonus will be changed according to the salary. So that is called user defined function. We already define a function. According to that function, it will run. So this is called user defined function. Okay. Now we can discuss these things tomorrow. Okay. Let me check the theoretical parts. Then primary key, foreign key, delete column. We have already discussed these things. Update, no problem. Indexing, fine. Few part is left. So we'll complete this tomorrow, and maybe this is the last topic in MySQL. After that, we will jump for the Tableau. Okay, Ramya and Daniel. We will finish SQL tomorrow, MySQL, and probably either tomorrow or day after tomorrow we can start Tableau. Okay, fine. Important topic for all the subjects. Hello, all the modules. Power BI. Yeah, got it, got it. I got your point. Okay, I will create it. Huh. At the end of this course, I will give you the mock interview questions and resume preparation part. You will get so many questions there. Okay, and if you go through that questions, it will help you a lot. Okay, and revision is very important. Revise 2 to 3 times for each topic. Okay, then you guys build a confident as well as all the formulas and function and the process how to do the data analysis in your mind, set in your mind. Okay, I'll provide all the you. You will get into the questions and answer. Okay, mock interview questions answer. You will get the theoretical parts. Okay, so probably tomorrow I will finish this MySQL and we will jump to the Tableau. If not, we will probably day after tomorrow we can start Tableau. Okay, but we can start within this week and try to finish within this week. Okay, and for left part, Daniel, I will cover separately. Okay, Ramya. Then goodbye. See you tomorrow. And please fill the attendance whenever I give you a message on the WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, then good night. Bye bye.